Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course, but right now we're talking about web graphics. And what I'm going to do is resize this picture so that it has fewer pixels, and that way it'll show up smaller on my screen. Alright, so I need to open a photo editor. I've got an old version of Photoshop. And then we'll go open that folder, open that picture up. Let's see. Developer on-ramp and images, and there it is. Okay. Make it actual size. Okay. So this picture, it's too big because it has too many pixels. So we're going to resize it. And we'll make it smaller. Make it 500 by 500 instead of 1000 by 1000. Okay, that's better. And then I'll just save it as a JPEG. Give it a little easier name. And while I'm here, I'll go ahead and copy the name so we can just paste it. I'll save it, and then back in Notepad. Okay, I saved it right next to this one, so I'll just paste it there. And then that's already open. Let's see, there it is. So we'll just refresh it. See? So we actually changed the number of pixels in the image using a photo editor, and that made the picture appear smaller on the screen. So that's very helpful. Alright, let's go back here, and where it says insert content here, let's just get rid of that, and we're going to make a H1 that says web graphics. Okay. And let's put that, just a little cleanup. We'll put that up here in the template too. And then we will add it to our list of links. Web graphics. Okay. Web graphics. Close A. Let's see. And let's oh look, that's not the end of the nav anymore. I'm going to cut that and paste it here. We'll select the nav and paste it back in these other two files. That's something that's a real pain in the rear to keep up with. There's ways around that. But not with just plain HTML. You need some sort of JavaScript SPA application or back-end programming or something like that, so that your navigation is kept in a separate file from everything else, and then when you need to change it, you only have to change it in that one place, and that's a wonderful place to be. Alright, we're going to save all of these and go back and try it. I'm going to refresh that. Okay, so we're going to go to what is HTML, HTML tags, web graphics, and they all have the same. That's so much fun. And we've got a website. Alright, so we talked about the image tag, and that's the IMG tag and the SRC source attribute, and how we resize the image as an example of how the pixel size affects how it shows up on the screen. We need to talk about the JPEG file format, the GIF file format, SVG and PNG, and some other things related to understanding how images work. All right. Thank you.